District ya Kagadi erya Hansharo ni hange rya Democratic Republic of Congo ahanyanje ya Mwitanzije. Ahabwa enshongeji hariho kutina ahabwa abashubuzi okuruga Congo abarukukorera omuri Kagadi hamwe n'abakagadi abarukukorera omuri Congo. Abe byamagara omu district eya Kagadi batire nibakora obucweka ihembe okutangira ebigwererezi nkebi kandi na hamurundi ogu bonjire amani okureba okubatangira Ebola ebarukireho omu ihanga erya DRC.
Tudiscussingire twekiraniza buli week at least turamitingike emirundi ebiri, then ekyakabiri twekiraniza rapid response team kuvisitinga amarwaro nokweta ba incharges ekabasobora how bali support following IPC guidelines niko berinde Ebola. Ekyo kubanza baseme ku screening abantu buli muntu wena kutaha mu irwaro, then basemerire nokwezolating abantu abakuru abaino oburwaho bwa Ebola.
Bonjira bashaho ahamyanya eyokucebereraho abantu omugomborera eyandayiga ahanyanja eya Albert ahabwo kushangangu niyo nsharo ni hange rya DRC.
To making sure ndeka twateka abantu bana abarakoraga ha point of entry screening ebesire POE buli kiro niko batuyambeho kutangira nokufuna abantu abo oburwaho bwa Ebola obwire bukyali.
Okurugendo areji ebarukaho omu ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo eisira abantu 139 omuri Congo kandi abandi rukaga bine obubonero obwendo areji.
The leading cardinal signs bleeding from unexplained bleeding from the body orifices, that is the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the anus, the body openings, then nausea and vomiting, also severe headache, cough, high temperatures, even bleeding under the skin, chest pain, fever, red eyes.
Orukiiko rwo kwetebekanisiza enshongeji rushikirwemu abanyamyoga batari bamwe na bamwe kandi nibashaba abantu okwegendesereza endwara egi barukukuratira ebirikubagambirwa abashaho.
To take care of the children as soon as term 2 opens, and then we shall invite one of the health officers to come and address them on the key issues on how Ebola can be protected. And all along we're also using radio program. Tomorrow we have radio program. Every Wednesdays we send one of the staff on radio, and it is one of the things that we'll be talking about.
Tubaine marwaro baliyo abaso containing oburwaire because Kagadi tukafuna Ebola before teguli gumuteri ebiri twaji containinga we have to challenges ya finances. You know Ebola is an outbreak, so for emergency and urgent kandi government ekaha ku budgetingira sente za emergency, so no bukibaho government ekola supplementary budget and supporting districts maybe handling outbreak, but currently sente zero.
District ya Kagadi, Chibare hamwe na Kakumiro omwaka ogw'2012 zikatahirirwa endwara ya Ebola kandi hariho abantu abaferirwa amagara gabo. Amakuru aga gashakwa Thomas Tumwebaze ahabwa gacenchiri.